Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 19 September 2021. So in this briefing we will discuss about a realized past 24 hours weather and synoptic systems of 19 September and forecast for next 5 days over different parts of the country. So let us begin with this slide. This is dedicated for synoptic systems of 19 September. So yesterday's low pressure area over northwest MP and adjoining East Rajasthan now lies over central parts of East Rajasthan and adjoining West Madhya Pradesh, and its cyclonic circulation extends up to mid-tropospheric levels. And the monsoon trough, you can see that its western end lies south of its normal position and eastern end roughly around the normal position. And this cyclonic circulation over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of North Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh coasts. This cyclonic circulation lies between 1.5 and 5.8 km above mean sea level. And there is a cyclonic circulation at 1.5 km above mean sea level over North Tamil Nadu and neighborhood, and there is a trough at 0.9 km above mean sea level from Tamil Nadu, from Telangana to South Tamil Nadu across Rayalaseema. So these are the main synoptic systems, and accordingly, this is the CTVT of satellite imagery. From this, we can see that moderate to intense convection lies over parts of East Rajasthan and also over Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and neighborhood. So these are the main cloudiness belt. So this is the realized monsoon activity during past 24 hours. From left hand side figure, we can see that over most parts of the country, realized isolated to scattered rainfall, except over Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab area where dry weather prevailed during past 24 hours, and over Northeast India, East India, and East Rajasthan and West MP and Konkan and Goa where fairly widespread to widespread rainfall realized. So we can say that during past 24 hours, main rainfall zone was West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, because there was a low pressure area over this East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh. So under the influence of this East Rajasthan and West MP was active during past 24 hours, and also under the influence of this cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal and South Bangladesh yesterday, these parts of Northeast India and adjoining areas of East India like Gangetic West Bengal and also Jharkhand realized very good amount of rain. Accordingly, we can see that from right hand side figure, this from dark blue and light blue color, that monsoon remains either active or vigorous over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, and Nagaland, Manipur, and Tripura. And red color shows that this monsoon remains weak over these areas, especially over South India, Maharashtra, and this parts of central India, that is Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh, and parts of northwest India, excluding Rajasthan, where monsoon was weak. And this green color shows that monsoon remains normal over these areas like coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Nicobar Islands, Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and also over Gujarat state and West Madhya Pradesh. So in summary, we can see that monsoon remains either weak or normal over most parts of the country except over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal and Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya. So this is the rainfall situation quantitatively. We can see that very heavy rainfall realized at isolated places over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan and also over Assam. And heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 7 centimeter to 12 centimeter at one or two places over Gujarat state, West Rajasthan, West Bengal and Sikkim, Odisha, Arunachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. If we look at the figure, then in West Madhya Pradesh, Agar and Malwa reported 14 centimeter, Ratlam 7 centimeter. In East Rajasthan, Pratapgarh reported 12 centimeter, Budi 11 centimeter, Banswara, Dungarpur and Kota reported 8 centimeter, and Bhilwara reported 7 centimeter. As regards West Rajasthan, Pali reported 7 centimeter. In Gujarat state, we can see that Dalod reported 9 centimeter, Surendranagar 8 centimeter, and in Odisha, Ganjam and Mayurbhanj reported 7 centimeter each. In West Bengal, Nadia reported 8 centimeter, Darjeeling reported 7 centimeter. And in Tamil Nadu, Tirupattur reported 9 centimeter, and in Assam, Hazua reported 14 centimeter. And in Arunachal Pradesh, Balongpong reported 7 centimeter. So this is the weather warning for today, that is valid for 8:30 hours IST of 19 September to 8:30 hours IST of 20 September 2021. So from this we can see that under the influence of low pressure area over this central parts of East Rajasthan and adjoining West Madhya Pradesh, and also due to this cyclonic circulation, there is a possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan during next 24 hours, and heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Gujarat state, and under the influence of this cyclonic circulation over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of North Odisha, West Bengal, and Bangladesh coast, heavy rainfall is expected over this East Indian subdivision like Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and also over Chhattisgarh. And under the influence of cyclonic circulation over North Tamil Nadu and the trough from from Telangana to Tamil Nadu, there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal during the next 24 hours. As regards thunderstorm activity, we can see that thunderstorm with lightning very likely over this East India and Northeast India, and over Gujarat state and this East Rajasthan, and also over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. As regards fishermen warning, no significant fishermen warning is issued for east and west coast. So this is the gist of 5 days warning. So for 19th I have already discussed. So from on 20, this heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places likely to persist and likely to continue over East Rajasthan on 20th as well, and the heavy episode over this West Rajasthan also likely to continue on 20 as well. So in nutshell, we can see that the episode of heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat state during next 5 days, that is till 23rd September 2021, and the heavy rainfall activity over Odisha and West Bengal likely to continue till 20th September, that is during next 2 days. And after that, the rainfall activity over Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal during subsequent 3 days, that is 21, 22, and 23 will reduce. However, from 21 we can see that this central India and adjoining areas of Maharashtra, that is Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, and Konkan Goa is also likely to experience heavy rainfall on 21st and 22nd. So main activity of this on 21 is also including Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada on 21st and 22nd, and Konkan and Goa likely to experience on 23rd as well. However, heavy episode over Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada likely to reduce on 23rd. So on 23rd, that is on day 5, only possibility of heavy rainfall remains over this West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Gujarat state, Konkan and Goa, and Tamil Nadu. As regards this northwest India, this Uttarakhand, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand from 20 September to 23rd September, and over Himachal Pradesh on 21 and 21 and 20 and 21 is also likely over Himachal Pradesh. So we can see that over most parts of the northwest India, there is a little possibility of heavy rainfall excluding Uttarakhand during next 5 days. So these are all about the weather warning. We will meet again tomorrow. Thank you.